Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to use the VLOOKUP function to find specific information in your table. Let's get started right away. Have a look at the table. It features a small company with 12 employees, their names and other details. We will use the VLOOKUP function to find certain data in the table. For example, which department Martin Taylor belongs to, or what is the finance manager's room number, or what is the production manager's phone extension. Let's have a look at the VLOOKUP function now. I will use the function wizard because it will be easy to enter the necessary parameters into the formula. We click on FX in the toolbar and enter VLOOKUP in the search mask. We double-click on VLOOKUP and now we can enter the search parameters. We will use it to answer the following question. What is the job title of David Norman? First is the search criterion, the cell reference for the thing or the person we want to know something about. In our case, David Norman in cell number B7. Next is the array, the cell range in which we are searching, in our case from B1 to E13. Important: the search criterion must be located in the first column of the array, here column B. Third is the index, the column number with a value returned as the search result. Important: the counting starts with the first row of the search array, here column B. So the index is 4 in our case. Fourth is a thing called sorted range lookup. We can simply enter 0 or false for an exact copy of the cell content with our result. So we enter 0 here. And then we click on OK. And we get the result that the job title of David Norman is Vice President of Engineering. In the same way, we can find the answers to the other 3 questions. This time we enter the formula on foot. We enter equals to we look up brackets open. So now we need the search criterion, which is Martin Taylor. That's B2, comma, and then the search array, which is from column B to column F, comma, and then we need the column number with the result, which is number 5, and then for the exact result we need a 0, or you can also enter false, and then we click on the green check mark and the result is coming up. Martin Taylor is in the CEO department. The same goes for the other remainder of 2 questions, and I will speed up things a little bit. Now we got all 4 results. This concludes our video about the VLOOKUP function. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, leave a comment. I am more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.